Hello, this is the Wise Owl to come at you from see where I live. I'm making videos on Halloween vocabulary or words and chemical symbols, so we can remember chemical symbols and atomic numbers of the periodic table of elements much easier if we associate them with vocabulary that we are familiar with. And a lot of us are familiar with the Halloween vocabulary or words. We're in the month of September, in the middle of September, and next month is Halloween, so why not give it a go? So let's continue. Well, in Halloween, you have the word screams. Screams. You hear screams. You know, you watch a horror movie in Halloween, so people are screaming, ah! So you got you have it for the word scream, it's capital S, C-R-E-A-M-S, screams. So we have the capital S and a small c and an atomic number of 21. Capital S and a small c is the chemical symbol for scandium. Scandium, let's see here, capital S and a small c, is spelled capital S-C-A-N-D-I-U-M. And you got scandium, okay? Then we got the R-E and the word scream. We got the capital R because that's how you have to write it down. In the periodic table of elements, the chemical symbols are, if you have two letters, the first one is the capital and the next one is the small lowercase letter. So we got capital R right here, and we got the E from scream, and that's 75 atomic number. It's 75. And capital R and E is a chemical symbol for rhenium. Rhenium. Rhenium is capital R, H-E-N-I-U-M. You have it right here. See it? R-E for rhenium. Then we got the capital A-M from scream. See? The A-M, I took the A and made into a capital A. A capital A and a small m, and that's atomic number of 95. And capital A and a small m is the atomic, is the name of the element of Americium. Americium. Spell Americium. Capital A M-E-R-I-C-I-U-M. If you take away this I and put an A like this, put an A after the C, you have America. America. But if you take away the A after the C and put an I-U-M, you have Americium. Okay? Capital A and the M. Then we got the capital S from screams, more than one scream. Okay, by the way, Americium has the atomic number of 95. And we got then we got capital S, which is a chemical symbol for sulfur, and the atomic number of 16. And here we go. Sulfur is spelled capital S-U-L-F-U-R. And there you go. The word screams. One of the vocabularies from the Halloween. Then we have haunts. Haunts. Okay? So we got a capital H, well, I spell it. Haunts is H-A-U-N-T-S. So we got the capital H, and we got a 1 for hydrogen. Hydrogen, and atomic number of hydrogen is 1, and that's spelled capital H-Y-D-R-O-G-E-N, hydrogen. Okay, that's the chemical symbol for hydrogen is H. Then we got the A-U. We took the small a and made into a capital U, and my mistake. We got the small a and made into a capital A and put a small U after it, and we got gold. Capital A and a small U is atomic number. It's the chemical symbol for gold, and atomic number is 79. 79 is atomic number for gold, and the chemical symbol for gold is capital A and a small U. And gold, of course, we know how to spell gold, capital G-O-L-D. Then we got N, a small n here, and we made it into a capital N for nitrogen. The chemical symbol for nitrogen is N. And we got the atomic number for N, which is 7. Nitrogen is spelled capital N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N. And that has the atomic number of 7. Then we took haunts, and we used a chemical symbol of capital T and the S. We took the small t and made into a capital T, and then we took the small s here. And that's the chemical symbol for Tennessine, from Tennessine. Tennessine is a new chemical added to the periodic table of elements recently. The atomic number is 117. It's very heavy atoms. Atomic number is very heavy. The element is very heavy, but it's a very heavy element. And capital T and a small s, and you spell Tennessine, capital Tennessine. Tennessine stands for Tennessee. It's a laboratory there, and scientists and chemists all got together and to do experiments and do what they always do in laboratories, and they created the element of Tennessine in a laboratory in Tennessee, and that's why it's called Tennessine. Okay, it's a new element added to the periodic table of elements recently, with atomic number of 117. Okay, then we got, for Halloween, we got candy corns, the candy, and we got the capital C and the A with atomic number of 20 for calcium. Capital C and the small a is for calcium. Calcium is spelled capital Calcium. Then we got the N, capital N, see the small n, we went to capital N with atomic number of 7 for nitrogen. Of course, nitrogen again is spelled capital Nitrogen. Then we got the chemical symbol capital D and a small y. We took a small d in candy and went into a capital D and put a small y with atomic number of 66. And capital D and a small y is the chemical symbol for Dyprosium. Dyprosium, which is spelled capital Dysprosium. Okay? Then we go to corns. We got capital C and a small o with the atomic number of 27. Capital C and a small o is the chemical symbol for cobalt. I didn't write it down here. I would have sworn. I didn't write it down. Cobalt, okay. Yeah, cobalt right here. Cobalt. See here, capital C and a small o. It's the cobalt. It's spelled capital C-O-B-A-L-T. Cobalt. And then we got R and N. We took the small r and into a capital R and a small n. Capital R and a small n, it has an atomic number of 86 for radon. Okay, capital R and a small n is the chemical symbol for radon. The element radon, capital R-A-D-O-N, with 76 atomic number. Then we got capital S for sulfur, with atomic number 16 for sulfur, which is spelled capital S-U-L-F-U-R. And that's Halloween terms. You got it right there, okay? I'll make more videos. Right now, this is the second video I made so far on Halloween terminology and vocabulary, so you can help you remember the periodic table of elements, the chemical symbols, and atomic numbers much easier. All right, while having fun on Halloween. This is Wise Out 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out.